standing at over 2,286 meters above sea level. Mount Matutong is one of the most iconic mountains in Mindanao. But the question is the climb worth the challenge? Today, we're taking you on our journey to the summit.
Ano ba? Nagsakat sila Ria, ini Om Ria. Pakai na nagkirikop. Okay, good.
Maraming pag-welcome sa inyo ha. Pagkita nyo sa mga biyahe pa lang ta.
Wow.
Ano lang?
The first part of the trail is relatively manageable, allowing hikers to enjoy the scenery while conserving energy for the steeper sections ahead.
Okay, pahulay sa ta.
Pahulay, taas, lakaw gamay.
Lakaw gamay, pahulay dako. Ano na dyan na mountaineering?
Wala man siguro ta nag-contest.
Kung balik ko sakay,
Ha?
naog na lang ko. Balik lang ko sa Rodrigo, nang nanap helicopter.
Sila Michael ko na diretso na lang mipit. Sige na yung sudan.
Bastos kayo.
Rina, may pala din.
Sinabi si Pala.
Ready po siya.
Don't
Tree planting.
Si pala.
Don't panic, it's organic.
Before calling it a night, we took time to enjoy each other's company. There was music, dancing, and plenty of laughter. In the mountains, strangers become friends, and friends become family. As the sun slowly disappeared behind the mountains, everyone got busy setting up tents, organizing gear, and preparing for a much-needed rest. Tomorrow's challenge was already on our minds, but tonight was about enjoying the moment.
Magpaano may ba? Dili ni picture, video. Pero kunyari lang gina siya galuto o lagi na siya galuto.
Wala, grabe siya. Nag-slice ko.
Sometimes, it's not about what's on the table, but who you're sharing it with.
Murag natulog ni among baboy. Ano?
Ato anong pukawon? Pukawon na to.
Hindi, sulo na ko. Pre, asi iyan.
Oy,
Asa na to nadala na to nga, nakita na to nga kuan ganiya.
nato sa guide ganina.
Ha?
Nasa guide.
niya, guys.
Ay wag, ibuhang tissue.
Oh.
Go.
So, Ma'am Jack, atras na?
Atras pa kanin na nakatuktok.
Yes, ma'am. Diya. Hindi ka kasami ka. Diya. Kaya na, Ma'am Jack?
Kaya kayo. Dami ang hangin.
Oo.
Ikaw kayo. Ma-apply lang pagka spider woman na to, ani. Ano, lalagyan yung mabuti ko.
Oh, mo na ilang mga ano. Yan.
Kita ulang daya.
Ah.
Salamat, sir. Shoutout, si sir, shoutout mo, sir.
Hello. Dire, mana, ma'am? Summit.
Salamat,
Okay.
nakabuti yung summit.
Okay.
Icon card.
Sige. Okay, dali. Welcome sa summit.
Top!
Okay.
Pila ka oras itong 3 hours? After 3 hours from phase 1.
Right.
Okay, dali, ma'am, dali.
Tataran.
Dia, ano dia? Relax dia. So, picture mo dia sa landmark. Ah, sige, sunod lang dia.
Yan, anang railings. Nakaut na dito. Thank you, Lord.
Yan.
Yes.
Okay.
Hala, ang ato ang wala nabilin.
Ako sa ma'am.
Ko ang tarp. Finally.
Yan. Balik ka na summit.
Nabili ng tarp. Yes. Thank you, Lord.
First timer. Hello.
Hello, Summit! Hello, we are already reached the 2,286! Woo! 886 muscle.
My video, guys.
So, paulit namin guys. Careful lang mo sa slide ah. Dali man ang paubos ma.
Pangita sa tingan ni Kurt. Kano daw, kano?
Kaya dili pa dyan siya mauban. Uban na lang ta kay talagsaran eh.
Mount Batutom is more than just a mountain. It's an experience that challenges your body, clears your mind and rewards your spirit. Until the next adventure, keep exploring, keep hiking, and keep creating memories.